Okay, this is 3D modeling about the tiny house design. First of all, we can use the rotate rectangle and click from this point, and then we can type 2.6 meter, enter. Then we can move it to the behind, move the cursor to the behind like this, around 3.5 meter approximately. Okay, and then we can add more, add more this one. We can move, and we can add 2.5 meter. Okay, like this. Okay, then now we can click the surface and select push pull. Okay, we can type 300, enter, and triple click, and also my group. Then we can select the line and click from this point. Okay, we can follow this point. Then we can triple click this line and offset it inside 150 millimeter, enter. Okay, then we can click line like this. Okay, then we can erase. Then we can click this surface again and select push pull. We can push 3.5 meter and enter. Okay, triple click and also make group. Okay, so we can make the bathroom space in here. Okay, we can click this line and select move, tap control, move to the front. We can type 1.7 meter, enter. And click this surface and push it down 30 millimeter, enter. Okay, then we can select the rotate rectangle, click from this position to this position, then we can move it to the front 150 millimeter. Then we can click this surface and push it up 2.4 meter and enter. Or we can only just push it down 1 meter more. Okay, and triple click, make group. Okay, now we can make the rectangle in here with width around 800 millimeter, and for the height around 2 meter, and we can push it to the behind. Okay, now we can make the simple door in here and push it to the front of 40 millimeter, and also make group. Then we can also make the decoration door in here. Select the line, move down, we can type / and enter. Click all over this line in here. Select move, tap control, we can type 10 millimeter. Then we can push it to the behind 15 millimeter. 15 millimeter. And then we can assign about the materials with using the wood materials like this, for example, or maybe we can use this one. And we can also assign about the texture and assign about the saturation and move to the position. Okay, now we can add the rectangle in here. Then we can push it up around 100 millimeter, triple click, make group. Okay, now we can make the line in here, vertical line, click, right click and divide. We can divide into the 8 segments only. Okay, now we can make the rectangle in here. Okay, we can erase this one. We can move this line and scratch this line on the position. Then we can about distance. We can type 300 millimeter. Then we can triple click, make group, and also make component, create. Select move, tap control. Okay, then we can type X9, enter. Okay, okay, now sorry, we can set the field of view first. Okay. Okay, now we can click this line, select move, and we can select this line, select move, place it to the position like this. Okay. Okay, and after that we can make the another cabinets in here. We can set the height around 80 millimeter in here. We can make the pantry, and okay, we can move the line 100 and push it to the behind 20, enter. Click this line, select move, tap control, and place the position. Then we can type / and enter. Then triple click, make group, and add the rectangle around 600 millimeter. Okay, then we can make the cabinets in here just a little bit. We can make group. Okay, now we can make the railing in here, so we can make a glass railing. Okay, just like this. Okay, now we can decorate about the window. We can make the geometric window design in here. Okay, to make it more attractive, we can add more frame. We can add more frame of the window with a geometric shape in here, and also in here to add more artsy. Okay, then this is about ceiling. The ceiling height is around 1.1 meter, and okay, we can add more extents about the ceiling. You can double click, make group. Okay, now we can assign the materials with the wood materials in here. Okay, then now we can also add more geometric window in here. Okay. Okay, now we can screenshot about this picture. We can screenshot about this picture. We can change the style first and select the screenshot. Okay, and copy, and we can paste on a Gemini AI Nano Banana. Then we can type make a realistic tiny house interior luxury. The room has well lit. Add more indirect lighting, warm white. Add glass railings on loft, bed, and stairs. Okay, add more built-in cabinets. Okay, so we can just waiting about the rendering, AI rendering progress. It takes time because it's calculated about our prompting idea to make it a realistic interior rendering about the tiny house. Okay, this is about the result of a tiny house, and maybe we can add more sophisticated tiny house. So we can add we can copy it again. We can copy and place in here, and we can copy it again, copy in here, and we can add make the window frame black glossy color, and make the ceiling has light wood textures. Okay, we can also add a little dining table. Add more sculpture. Okay, we can just wait for the next AI rendering, so we can compare about the first prompting and the latest prompting right here. So we can just wait about the AI rendering. Okay, I think it's a little bit better. It's look like more realistic and look like more appropriate interior for the tiny house on wheels design. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just don't forget to subscribe this channel and just wait for my next tutorial about this tiny house. Thank you.